I have no idea how to start this video. Alright, so today's video is all about Boxycharm December 2019. This is the base box. My premium has not arrived. At first I was like, this all I get? I paid $60 for this? But found out there's another box coming. So, let's see. Whimsy is the theme. And then I got the variation 4. So the first thing I see that a lot of us got is the Storybook Cosmetics book. Ooh, sorry. Ooh. It's pretty cute. And then I also have, can you even see? The brow bar. Or a brow bar. Saturday Skin Waterfall. Ciate Moonlight Illuminating Blush in the shade, but find out later. And a lip exfoliator. So let's try all this on. Okay, now that I brought you in closer to my terrible skin, the first thing first, I need to stop whispering, but I feel like my brother can hear me and it's awkward. Let's see. We have the Saturday Skin Waterfall Cream Moisturizer. Go off here. Ooh. Smells interesting. So, take off my glosser. Take some from the top. Oh, ooh, that's thick. Ooh, nice and cold. That feels good. There's a brow bar. That looks nice. How much is this? $30. You get a little brow thingy in here and a mask. I'm blind, I can't see nothing. Little tool, mascara. Is this like a cream concealer or just like a brow wax? Oh, you know what? This is nice. I actually liking this. Cause this is definitely good for when you travel. I don't travel cause the bitch broke. And I always gotta work. For $30? I like this. I'm gonna use this at the end when everything is done, but I like this. This is cute. I hate when you get interrupted. I'm already nervous doing this video. I feel like everybody can hear me because it's kind of quiet in the house, and it's like people gonna think I'm talking to myself, but my brother already knows I'm recording. It's so awkward because I feel like he can hear me. I don't know how to do this YouTube thing yet. I don't know how to look all cool, sound interesting, whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop, and I'm ranting for no fucking reason. Just nervous. Alright, so I think I'm going to use almost every color in the palette. I'm gonna start off with Nottingham. I don't know why that took me so long to just read that. That was terrible. That was extra. Where's the color at though? I dip into Merryman. I use the same brush because why not? Okay, backed up a bit because now we're going to move on to the base face Whoop Whoop primer. I want more than just a moisturizer. I'm going to try something that I bought and never used because you buy a whole bunch of makeup and then you don't use it because we like to waste money, which is stupid. So, but I got it on sale. Still stupid though. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. I never used this. I already said that. Don't repeat yourself. Ooh. And then you just put this here. I think it filled in my pores okay. Not really good at first impressions, but we'll get there. Next, I'm gonna take an eyeshadow base by Essence. Because I wear glasses, this helps prevent foundation being removed from my glasses. The foundation I'm going to use, I haven't ever tried, but I bought at TJ Maxx for like $13. Is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. And I'm going to use a sponge by Shop Miss A I just bought. It's the Microfiber Wonder Blender. Looks like this. Feels so different. Ooh, feels so different from, you know, because it got the microfibers on here. I already read it. And I just put it back in the packaging like I've seen other YouTubers do. So I did the same thing, but I'm not really a YouTuber. I'm just a loser. Anywho, supposed to soak in less foundation, give you more coverage. I think it's like they're trying to make a dupe from the Juno sponge. That's $6. I haven't tried it. I don't know if it is a dupe, but this is only $1.55. So let's give it a whirl before I forget, because I forget I look ashy on here for some reason. I gotta take a color corrector, which is Makeup Revolution Orange Color Corrector. I'm gonna put that on my beard, so you know I don't look. Whoop, whoop. That's how it looks. Look at that. Turning the. Oh, okay. Should have used less. I hope my Becca Luminous thing covers this up. If it sucked up any freaking product, come on, man. Come on, help me, help me. So far, I'm failing. I'm gonna switch to my Colourpop foundation because I need to see if I can save myself. For bronzer, I'm going to use another Boxycharm product because why not try to keep it Boxycharm, you know, related in a way. I love this palette to death. I'm going to take this bronzer in here. I think we got this in the summertime. I'm going to bronze really quick using one of their brushes that we just got in November's box. So for the blush, we have this Yatte Illuminating Blush. Ooh, I have the shade Dusk. Wait. Is that a good... What? Damn, that's... I don't know, it's not even for my skin color. I definitely don't think, but let's see how it looks on the cheek. You can barely see it on the hand, sorry. Oh, okay, there you go. See that? That's how it looks. That's pretty. Okay, so I just put the brown eyeliner and the brown from the eyeshadow down there. Some lashes from Shop Miss A. 218 Cara dollar lashes or noise. Use the Pur Hydrating Spray because I feel really dry. I'm gonna take, is this a red? It looks like a red from Dose of Colors. We also got this in the Boxycharm. Hopefully that's a red. I'm gonna take the Lippy Pencil Liner from Colourpop. This is, what shade is this? Bossy. That is the finished look. This box is nice. The eyeshadow is beautiful. Anyways, eyeshadow is beautiful. Maybe I should pick it up as a talk. Eyeshadow is beautiful. Love it. Just gotta work with it, but that's okay. Love this. This was just so nice. Felt good. Didn't use a lip exfoliator, but that probably would be nice. The brow product, I like this. And with like this little concealer thing in there, totally wrong side. This concealer thing, I think that's nice, especially for like when you travel. What else was in the box? That was it, right? Oh, the blush. You can see it on me like in person a little bit, but it's not very pigmented. This is not really good for my skin tone, I don't think, but I do like it. I do like it. So that is it for the video. I like this. See, green and red. So nice for the holidays. Goodbye. Thank you.